Hey guys, it's Mel here, and I'm super excited to inform you that I will be running a 1-hour workshop on how to create a vision board. This awesome 1-hour session will start you off on the process of creating one of the most important tools for bringing clarity into your life. You will begin the process of identifying the 8 most important areas of your life and what it is that you want from them. We will discuss the importance of creating a vision board and the science behind why it is so important to have. And you know, it doesn't really matter where you are in your life. You could be an entrepreneur, you could be a CEO of a company, a business executive, or you could be working for the government. It just doesn't matter where you are. You could be happy in your life. You could want more from your life. It doesn't matter. Maybe you're married with kids and you have elderly parents and it just seems all overwhelming and you want to find balance in your life. It just doesn't matter. Vision boards are so important. So if you've never ever created one, join me for this 1-hour workshop. If you've created a vision board before, join me so that we can get new ideas and you can revisit the old one. Join me as I take you through this 1-hour workshop on how to create one of the most important, powerful tools that will bring you clarity and balance in your life. So fill out the information and I will send you an email that has all the details and the link to join me for this 1-hour workshop. Peace.